Hi there, Trisha here, and I wanted to go over the trades that I took today. I use two setups, one off a longer tick chart, one off a smaller tick chart, and I use three charts with indicators for confirmation before ever getting in the trade. It makes for higher odds trades. Again, conservative way to trade, but it works for me. Usually you'll get 2 to 5 trades a day trading that way. I know that's not enough for a lot of people, but it's plenty for me. So if you'd like to check those out, you can go to www.easyemintrade.com, and these are the trades that I took today, Monday, January 12th. The first trade that I took was at 10:03, and I took that short at 877.50, and you can see right here, the reason why I liked it was you see prices going higher here, but our indicator is not. Our indicator is actually going sideways or slightly down. So that's divergence. So usually what will happen is price will follow the indicator. So using Sierra charts, and I'm not quite comfortable yet with the scalp indicator, how it sets up and so forth, but I think that I've got it figured out. Anybody using TradeStation or eSignal, you guys just stick with what we've been doing in the past. But for Sierra, where's my pointer here? Here it is. What I've noticed is that when the momentum is turning dark green, meaning the momentum is lessening and it's slowing down, then we get our blue dot. Then that has been working well for entry on the scalp indicator. So that's why I entered this trade here. Here we go. I entered right on this vertical line. Actually, I got filled over here, short 877.50, and using my trail stop, I trail stop, and I trail stop was hit over here in this rectangular right here where this red arrow is, at 876.75 for a gain of 3/4. The next trade that I took was at 10:45, and that was a short trade. And again, I liked it. We had divergence on our indicator, price going sideways, divergence going down. Usually price is going to follow. So again, with our momentum on our scalp indicator, you can see that it's turning dark green, meaning it's lessening and the bars are getting smaller. So actually we had a blue dot more in the middle of that, but I actually waited until the lower indicator crossed under the purple line, and you all will know what that means. So that's what I waited for. That's why I waited till a little bit after the blue dot to enter. So I actually entered in over here at 877.75, and I actually got out before a trail stop was hit. I got out right when I saw the lower indicator actually was crossing back above. So the green line was crossing back above the purple line on our lower indicator, and so I exited because I just was thinking that it was probably going to go higher, and I got out at 875 for a gain of 2 3/4. Now, had I stayed in there and used my trail stop method, I actually would not have been stopped out until 871.25. So obviously, missed a huge opportunity there. But I kind of feel out of practice after not trading all last week. But anyway, I'll take 2 3/4 anytime. Just hate that I missed that big move, but what can you do? The next trade that I took was at 12:46. I took that short, and you know that I don't usually trade at lunchtime, but I feel like I needed to make up for lost time from last week, not trading every day. But I like this because I can't find my pointer. Because we had divergence on our indicator, price was going sideways, indicator going down, had the scalp indicator setting up as the green bars are turning darker green and momentum slowing. So I entered short at 871.50, and I actually got stopped out up here for a loss of 2 points. So anyway, didn't work out. It still was looked like a decent trade, but it just didn't work out. And I will take a trade if the indicator is just going into oversold area, as you see down here. If it's going sideways, I will not take it. So we had divergence, and then it was just crossing into oversold area. So I'm okay with that. But if it's going sideways in oversold area, even if we have our setup up with our scalp indicators and so forth, I'm always usually going to pass on that trade 99% of the time. So that's just my rule. You obviously can make up your own rule, but that's my rule. So I had a loss of 2 points on this trade. The next trade that I took was at 158, and again, have divergence on our indicator. The vertical line here shows where the scalp indicator was setting up with our blue dot, and so I've got the momentum slowing and turning dark green, which means that's slowing. So I found with Sierra that is working out, at least today, that is working out well. Again, I'm not used to their indicators because today is my first live day trading with them, but I liked it because, you know, we have divergence. I keep losing my pointer. We have divergence on our indicator, and price going sideways, divergence here, and then we're just crossing into the oversold area. So I will take that all day long. And our bottom indicator is correct alignment as well. So I entered short at 871.75, and I used my trail stop method. Basically went sideways here, used the pivot here, and actually was moved my pivot from here, and then actually got stopped out up here at 866.50. So that was a gain of 5 1/4. So I was happy with that. So I took 4 trades today. I had 3 winners and 1 loser for a net gain of 6 3/4. So if you want to check out the setups, go to www.easyminitrade.com, and I will post another video tomorrow.